Hello fellow gamers. So, you want to see some Gateron Yellows, huh? You've probably watched other videos and you know that a Gateron Yellow is like the Gateron Ink Black's little brother. It's slightly younger and slightly less refined in every way. With the Yellow, you're looking at the peak of a middle class performance. It's a really good switch and will give you the silky smooth butter-like key press consistently. That is, if you're willing to spend $20 on lube and 6 hours of your time. The sound profile would be if you mixed a Gateron Ink Black with the Cherry Red and then added just a little bit of scratch to it. I've been using them for about a week now after lubing them, and I can say with confidence that I would rather be using my other keyboard. So to sum it up, if you're looking for something that is extremely average yet still very impressive for its price, I give you Gateron Yellows.